So guys, this is my morning with the chirp of birds and the flow of the river. This place, a morning in a village with too much fog. This is such adorable and awesome. I have experienced this very first time in the mountains, waking up like that with fog, silence, nobody around. This is perfect. So a perfect morning does exist. I cannot feel any better than this. This is just so beautiful. Having a cup of Starbucks cafe latte and a sachet, of course, but and enjoying this morning happening. And after that, I will go for Eid prayers. But it was a wish waking up like this in such a place, very quiet, in the woods, in the mountains, in the village. And that would be my first Eid like that, and I am really enjoying that. Only close to the nature and in silence. Oh, this gives the feeling of a Silent Hill. If somebody has played a game called Silent Hill, that was a horror game, but all the atmosphere around it is just like that. Just to explain that. So it's very nice actually. I am having a lovely experience. Really a ghost town had a face. This is literally a ghost town. Everything is so closed. So guys, just look at this amazing scene. I was traveling across this river, like parallel to this river, and after that, after some time, I came to such a scene that is so peaceful and amazing that I cannot explain. This is Ozongol, but 5 kilometers away from Ozongol. You have to like keep on traveling with the river out of all the public and hotels. This place is very quiet and it's in between the woods. So I'm right now in the woods, and there is an amazing scene. There is small waterfalls over here also. There is a river there. The river is coming from two directions. Wow, it's a breathtaking scene. So how I ended up here? I was basically looking for white-throated dipper. This dipper I thought I shot in Georgia as well, and I found it here also, but it was at a very distance. So I keep on moving towards the river. This area is perfect for dipper, but I am not able to find it yet. It was behind, but hopefully I can find it. But this scene is just wow. The thing is, birds take you to such places because they tend to live in place which is away from human, and the things which are away from human are so natural and so beautiful. So this is all the reason I ended up here, and this is amazing scene. Awesome. So guys, this is something amazing. I am enjoying here right now in such a view. There are less birds, but the beauty is unreal. So this is something I have never experienced like this before. There is no disturbance here. So it's cold actually. But a wonderful, wonderful nature. So I'll moving ahead now to see if something more fabulous shows up. So let's see. Moving along, I'm not getting satisfied. I'm just keep on going along the river, and amazing sights to be viewed here. Wow! Again, the two faces of the river, and the stream is getting narrow and narrower. In the mountains somewhere, totally independent and alone, the feel of nature. Even the roads here are also changed. The road is now, it's stony, not asphalt. Well, this is just brilliant. So there is a waterfall with a mountain view. So maybe this was the view I have been waiting for, and I have been coming all along so far over here. I don't know where I am. I am in the mountains with a narrow path in between the mountains. But this view is amazing. A waterfall with a glacier, fog around it, and so many pine trees. So this is fabulous. Although I have not able to find my favorite thing, that is birds, but this is awesome adventure I have been so far on. Just look at the place. I mean, like, it's a small waterfall, but so graceful with this, the combination of the big mountain behind me. There is a mountain in front of me also covered in glacier. I mean, like, this place is awesome, amazing. Path looks like an ancient walkway, not a normal road. So guys, the place where finally I found the dipper, it was just here, now it vanished. I followed it, but I was not able to capture it again. But I got a good shots and good video footage of. That's the awesome moment in the bird photographer life. You get a bird you came so long for, and it's worth it. I traveled the distance and I got the bird again in Turkey. First I found this in Georgia. So this is an amazing feeling. And right now I am just next to this stream that is joining the river. So I am very happy. In front of me is the glacier. The place is amazing. I'm loving Turkey, especially Trabzon. And I never thought I will come so far for this thing. This is totally worth it. Worth the experience I've so far experienced it. Absolutely amazing. It's freaking cold. And I got the dipper. Just look at that. Just have that view. The mountains. So guys, this is it. Wow. I just managed to come to Snowy Peaks. This is just unbelievable. This is an amazing, amazing place. So everyone, I cannot explain the view behind me. Snowy Peaks, totally white. So I came along this way this far for this amazing, beautiful view in Turkey. This is Trabzon and Reis. It's a border between Trabzon and Reis where I am right now. And snowy peaks, absolutely gorgeous, amazing view. And I now do recommend this place if you want adventure and all that stuff. Come to Uzungol, and from there is a narrow path, goes towards here, comes here. You should definitely visit this place. And it does not require a 4x4 vehicle. My vehicle is very small. It's a hatchback and I have able to manage it. They have managed it so well. The roads, network, everything, the cleanliness is so damn good that I'm loving this thing. So this is just wow. I'll try to go further away and then see how much close I can go to these mountains. But absolutely fantastic. I'm just so amazed. So I'll move. This was totally worth it. Definitely a must-have trip to Uzungol and Hayat. Uzungol is now 16 km far from here, and I guess I'm touching the borders of Reis. So these are the snowy peaks I believe I saw from the plane, and now I'm right now standing in front of them. Absolutely awesome adventure I have been. This will be a lifetime experience, a lifetime journey, and a memorable event for me. These snowy peaks, I have never been so close to such snowy peaks by road. So just awesome, loving it. Basically, I was lucky enough to get the dippers again. There are two of them sitting right in front of me, and I took plenty of good shots, good video footages, and they are still not moving away. So that's the best part. My favorite bird, white-throated dippers. So absolutely loving this adventure. Thing is that I will be making these videos in episodes. So this is the episode for Uzungol and the journey to the glacier mountains. And in this way I will be having multiple videos on Turkey, I guess, because it's too much and my iPhone is almost full. So hope you guys will enjoy this. I had a lovely experience. So the thing is that the white-throated dipper story is done. I took plenty of shots, plenty of videos, and it was amazing. The story of that hunt for the brown white-throated dipper is done. And what's the important part for that is that we have to go to elevation, as much elevation where the bird resides. Every bird has its own elevation. So I was not meeting the elevation. Once I have met the elevation, there were so many dippers over there. I saw a pair also. Not able to shoot the shot, but the thing is that it was there. So now I am heading back to Ozungol, and from there I will go back to Trabzon. And my journey for Ozungol and the north of part of that is almost done. And that's it. Now I'll be going to Trabzon, and see you guys